All-on-X is the most advanced form of replacing your teeth with dental implants. It's a procedure that we do that replaces your teeth within 1 day. The day of the surgery, when everything is ready, you will come to the office. We take the teeth out, all the teeth out. We place the new implant. Your dentist will screw the new denture, the new set of teeth, to the existing implant. And this is it, very much. In few hours, you are done, and you leave with a new smile, a new you, a new life. If you are in good general health and you are willing to work on your teeth and your oral hygiene, you are the perfect candidate for dental implants. The great news is you can have all this procedure and all the steps done under one roof. If you are in the process of restoring your smile, restoring your health, restoring your life, call us at Nova Perio Specialist and schedule your free dental implant consultation.